Hi, my name's David Sanders. I'm an engineer and shift manager at Cardiff City Services. I'm running an engineering department with around 60 staff. We have facilities within the workshop to cater for any job that comes across. When I first contacted Clean, I recognised it straight away that they were a professional company. The transition into Clean was virtually seamless. They actually advised me on how to do it. We ended the contract 1 month and just carried on with Clean the following month. Throughout this process, there was a constant communication, which made it even easier and more reliable for myself, and it reassured me that I've chose the right company. We have Flame Master boiler suits, Trianimo jackets in navy and orange, and Trianimo trousers with navy, orange and high-vis. We also have a locker valet service with a bulk collector to deposit our dirty overalls. When we receive a garments back after a weekly clean, they are clean. They do what they say on the tin, they clean the overalls. We have an account manager that I can contact, always answers my email promptly, or even I can contact her via phone. There's always somebody available to deal with my questions. Clean has paid attention to our needs with a collaborative approach. Changing to a new supplier, we've always had reservations, but working with Clean brought me reassurance that I was working with a professional team.